Hi, I am Kushal Gulab Singh. Welcome to my first ever screencast on quality effects on customer purchasing decisions towards smartphones. By the end of the screencast, you will be able to 1. Understand what is quality, 2. Identify the 8 dimensions of quality, 3. Understand what affects customer decisions, and 4. Identify with me how we as customers are influenced by quality to make purchasing decisions when it pertains to smartphones. What is quality? Quality is defined by Ghosh and Davis 2010 as a dynamic state associated with product, services, people, processes, and environments that meet customer needs and expectations. It is true that when a company produces a product or delivers a service, it has its customer needs and expectations in mind. Let us look at other ways we can define quality. When we think of quality, these terms come to mind. The best money can buy. We as customers have the perception that more expensive products are of a higher quality. Secondly, meeting a specification or conforming to specifications. These are products that meet product specifications outlined by the production and quality management team of a company. Craftsmanship, the degree of excellence that an item possesses. This is quality of design and work shown in a product. Fourth, no more than 1% defects. A product with too many defects is considered defective and of low quality. Anything Swiss made or German, such as Swiss made watches or German cars such as Audi, BMW, and Mercedes Benz. Let us now look at David Garvin's 8 dimensions of product quality. In 1987, David Garvin suggested that there are 8 dimensions to quality. Let's look at each one. 1. Performance. This is by far the most important. A quality product will perform as expected by the user and as specified by the manufacturer. If products do not do as buyers expect, users will be disappointed and frustrated. Secondly, features. What additional benefits will be added to the product? Whether they are tangible or non-tangible benefits. For example, this could be after-sales services or guarantees. Some features will be present in all products, but other features will only be found in quality products. For example, all cars have wheels, steering wheel, gears, windows, and seats, but only some cars have heated seats, assisted parking, and Bluetooth. 3. Reliability. Is the product consistent? Will it perform well over its expected lifetime and perform consistently? Many brands have developed trust with customers because of their reputation for reliability. 4. Conformance. Does your product meet with any agreed internal and national specifications? For example, safety regulations and laws. 5. Durability. How durable is your product? Will it last with daily use? 6. Serviceability. Is the product easy to service? Does the organization offer enough service support? Like when that phone screen cracked and you did not know where to carry it? 7. Aesthetics. Is a product appealing to the eye? Design is important for many products, since the color picked indicates certain things. Finally, perceived quality. What sort of quality perception does the marketing team want to convey in their marketing message? Will the price charged reflect the quality of the product? What brand name is going to be used, and does this convey any perception of quality? To summarize, quality is a broad topic and covers many factors. An organization has to build in all the above factors when building quality into their product or service. Some popular smartphone brands: Huawei, Samsung, Google phones, Apple iPhones, Alcatel, and Blue. From the data gathered, participants had the following distribution of smartphone brands. Samsung ranked first with 18 respondents responding that they had a Samsung phone. Apple second with 9, Huawei, Blue, Google, Alcatel all with just 1 each. From this data, we can see how Samsung has the upper hand over the other brands. From the survey conducted, participants were asked what influenced their purchasing decisions, whether it was price, features, aesthetics, perceived quality, serviceability, durability, reliability, or performance, or even a combination of some. Here we can see that customers look at the features of a product as the most important aspect before making a purchasing decision. This is whether the phone has long battery life, touchscreen, the microphone or speaker works well, Bluetooth, the screen display, and the operating system's performance. Secondly is reliability and performance. Whether the phone is reliable in terms of its long battery life, does the operating system work well when running more than one application, or if the phone does not glitch. Thirdly was price and perceived quality. Consumers who selected price bought Samsung phones as well as Blue, Alcatel, Huawei, and Google phones, since they were lower priced over Apple iPhones and performed to a standard that they expected, which is their perception of quality. Fourthly was durability. These respondents were concerned with whether their phones would work well with daily use over a long period of time. This is whether the phone has the ability to fall without malfunctioning, or even phones that may have a waterproof feature. Finally, was aesthetics and serviceability. In this instance, customers placed importance of how their phone's choice looked, in terms of colors, sleekness, and its appearance in terms of perception of the customer's image. Those who chose serviceability were concerned with whether their phones can be fixed easily if something were to happen to it. Participants were then posed with the question of if they were to change their buying preference and purchase another brand of smartphone instead of their current brand, what would be the reason? 1. Better quality. These individuals wanted more out of their phones, so if given the opportunity, would change their brand. These were those individuals who had heard about a brand of smartphone that was more appealing to them. Third, price. Better price to fit their budget. Fourth, lack of interest in current brand, since phone is no longer delivering to meet their needs and wants. Fifth, promotion. These individuals were influenced by marketing strategies by alternative brands. Next, let us look at other ways customers can be influenced instead of quality to make. Here are some other ways customers made decisions. Handling and testing of various smartphones. These individuals preferred hands-on approaches to making their decisions. Recommendations by family and friends. Since they have trust in these individuals' choices, they base their decisions on others' decisions. Internet and customer reviews. Since they got knowledge about a smartphone of choice that was up to their quality expectations. Advertisements, packaging, and salespeople. These persons bought their smartphones based on influence from marketing by the company's marketing team, packaging and advertisements, and even influenced by salespersons. By now, you should be able to define quality, identify and understand the 8 dimensions of quality, understand what affects customer purchasing decisions, understand how quality influences customer purchasing decisions towards different smartphones. Finally, it is seen that not only is the dimensions of quality that affects customer decisions, but also the opinions of people we as customers trust, hands-on experiences, reviews from internet blogs, and finally, promotions by marketing teams also influence our decisions as customers. Thanks for watching. That's all, folks.